great brand story, making really great footwear. Due to the leather, the manufacturing capabilities that we're able to produce, we know exactly what makes our footwear so strong. We want to take that same DNA and bring that into small leather goods. We've taken some very detailed steps of how to really make sure that we're putting out the best quality product that we can put out. The heavier leathers that we're using, the simple stitch techniques, but really purposeful stitch techniques. It's all designed and built for a reason, and that's why it stands the test of time. The whole purpose of the small leather goods line was to kind of create an extension of the brand, have that same quality that we built in our footwear, but in a piece that you can pass down for generations.